Hi guys, it's Mac Million within the Dark Room with Mac Photos. Thanks for stopping by and joining me for today's episode, where today we're going to do somewhat of a continuation on some of the DJI tools that I've been using. Much appreciation and thanks to Chris over at Drone Nerds here in the North Miami Beach area. I stopped by this week to pick up the Osmo base and ended up walking out of the store with the Osmo Pro combo. So I wanted to share that unboxing and setup of this kit with you. We'll start off with the case. The Osmo Combo Pro kit comes in this really nice ATA flight case. It has both a top section here as well as a section underneath to hold additional accessories such as your chargers and adapters. Next up, we have the wall charger. As well as a dummy battery that can be used with the wall charger so that you have consistent power if you're doing any extended shooting. You'll notice that it comes with an additional battery door which allows for access for the cable from the dummy battery. Now with the Osmo Pro Combo Kit, it comes with the new intelligent high capacity batteries. You can differentiate the new high capacity batteries by the white label that's on the back. The Pro Combo Kit comes with 4 of the intelligent high capacity batteries. The kit as well comes with a 4-port charger. So with this charger you can install all 4 batteries for simultaneous charging. I've been really impressed with this charger. It really charges the batteries quickly. And here is the DJI Osmo base. It's not included with the kit, but definitely a must-have accessory. This is the Osmo Handle. This is the same handle that comes with the X3 version. So it is interchangeable between the Zenmuse X3 camera as well as the Zenmuse X5 that comes with the Osmo Pro Combo Kit. As you can see, the benefits of having the Osmo base here. So we begin to prep the Osmo handle to accept the Zenmuse X5 camera here by removing the cap. Next we have the Osmo X5 Adapter. Now with the Osmo handle, it does require this adapter to use with the X5 camera. You'll notice the contacts here. We can seat the X5 adapter on top of the Osmo handle, and we will twist. There's a twist lock here to lock the adapter in. Now there is the stabilizer arm on the X5 adapter that swings down, and we will use the locking screw to seat it and lock it into position. And here we have the Zenmuse X5 camera. This is the magic. This is the heart of this unit. The Zenmuse X5 is a micro four thirds camera, which provides the ability for interchangeable lenses on this camera. It has a variable aperture from f1.7 to f16. It as well allows for autofocus and manual focus. Here, as we did with the X5 adapter and handle, we will mount the X5 to the X5 adapter and twist to lock it in place. So this is what our setup looks like so far. We have our Zenmuse X5 camera with the X5 adapter, all connected to our Osmo handle. All conveniently mounted to our DJI base. Here's a shot of the lens. This lens uses a 46 millimeter thread, so if you're looking at investing in any ND filters, it does use a 46 millimeter thread. Now, this is an additional piece as well. This is the DJI Osmo Follow Focus. And what this is, it's a follow focus that we're able to mount to the Osmo, and it provides us the ability to manually focus the camera, allowing us to pull focus during those shoots. And to connect our follow focus hand wheel, we'll place it at the front connector of the X5 swing arm adapter here, and we will screw it in to lock it in place. Now the follow focus connects to the X5 via a cable. Both sides are the same, so it doesn't matter which side you connect to the X5 versus the follow focus. The Osmo Focus Handwheel also has these two screw stop placements where you're able to assign each to a different focal point. Here we have, this is an external microphone which comes with the Osmo Pro kit for providing an external microphone for your audio. This really isn't an accessory that I will be using, but it is included with the kit. I do choose to use external audio. As we know, there is an issue with fan noise from the DJI Osmo. So to avoid or eliminate that entirely, I choose to use an external audio recorder. So here's our final view with everything put together. The X5 camera mounted on the X5 adapter on top of the Osmo handle. We have our focus hand wheel, everything mounted and seated within the DJI Osmo base. Great setup. Until the next time, get out there, get shooting, and remember, make every shot count.